Hey! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this device. You need to start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down, then tap on accessibility features. Now you need to select senior mode over here under accessibility and click on this switcher in order to activate it. Now wait a couple of seconds and as you can see, easy mode is now on. If you want to, you can scroll down from here and adjust all of those easy mode options however you wish to, like for example, touch duration. If you wish to disable senior mode completely though, you can always do that by clicking on the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!